What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today I just got back from Apple and we're taking a look at the brand new AirPods Pro. You see, these are one of the most memed objects on the planet, and Apple already had them being pretty expensive, but they wanted to get memed even harder, so of course they raised the price by around $100. They now come in at around $249, and we're going to be unboxing these things and taking a quick first look at them to see whether they are worth that astronomically insane price. With that said, it's Apple, so regardless of how expensive these are, someone out there is going to be buying them, and I guess for today that someone is me. So as you guys can see, the unboxing is relatively similar to most Apple products, except no more stickers, which I'm kind of sad about, but those are the instructions. And then of course there's this satisfying little thing that you can, the little piece of plastic that allows me to take the AirPods out, but we're not gonna look at that just yet. I want to show you guys this wire that doesn't come with a charging block. It just has USB-C on one end and of course Apple's normal lightning port on the other side. We also get ourselves some ear tips. They're extra small ones on the left, and on the right side we get some extra big ones. So you know how people used to, not a lot, but some people used to complain about how the AirPods weren't snug in their ear or would fall out when they were running or something of those sorts. Well, this is a change for you. There's also a new snapping mechanism, which is really cool on the actual ear tips itself, and of course that allows for you to interchange the sizing of those really quick. It's actually really cool. It's also useful due to cleaning. You see, one of the downsides to having these type of silicone tips is that they get really dirty, but now you can just snap them off in literally 1 second. No more dealing with rubber. All you do is snap them off and then you can go wash them. So that's something really cool I noticed in the unboxing. The other thing that's really awesome is that giant black hole on the back. Why is that there? Two reasons. A, noise cancellation, transparency mode, and air pressure. You see, when we typically have headphones that have silicone tips in them, if you wear them for hours and hours on straight, a lot of pressure builds up inside of your ear, and you want to you're just not happy after around a half hour of using them. So you take them out for a few seconds and then you put them back in, and then everything is back to normal. But with that giant hole, now it should relieve some of the pressure in our ears, which is really awesome. The case is a little bit bigger, which I'm not the biggest fan of, and I'm not going to mention too much about sound quality because I'm going to save that for the full review, but sound quality is actually really similar to the old AirPods. Anyhow guys, that's the unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. So leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.